When it comes to improving home comfort and cutting costs, many homeowners in League City, Texas focus on upgrading their HVAC systems or adding insulation. Yet, one of the most overlooked upgrades with major long-term benefits is installing energy-efficient doors. These doors not only enhance curb appeal but also make a significant difference in reducing your monthly utility bills. Understanding energy-efficient doors are specially designed to prevent unwanted heat transfer between indoor and outdoor spaces. They are typically built using insulated materials, such as fiberglass, steel with foam cores, or wood with advanced weatherproofing seals. Many also feature low emissivity, low-E, glass inserts that minimize heat loss during winter and reflect heat during summer. In League City, where summers are hot and humid and winters are mild, doors that maintain consistent indoor temperatures can help reduce the strain on your air conditioning and heating systems, ultimately lowering energy use. How energy-efficient doors reduce energy costs. Improved insulation. Traditional doors often have gaps, cracks, or weak seals that let air leak in and out. Even small leaks can lead to significant energy waste. In contrast, energy-efficient doors feature multiple layers of insulation that trap indoor air while blocking outdoor temperatures. This reduces the need for your HVAC system to run constantly, leading to lower energy consumption and smaller bills. Enhanced weather sealing. Modern energy-efficient doors include tight weather stripping and advanced sealing technologies. These prevent drafts and moisture from entering the home. For League City residents, this means less humidity indoors, a key factor in maintaining comfort and preventing overuse of air conditioners during the long summer months. Better material and design. Fiberglass and steel doors with polyurethane foam cores are popular for their high R value, a measure of thermal resistance. The higher the R value, the better the door's insulation. Energy-efficient models also come with thermal breaks, barriers that stop heat from moving through metal parts of the frame. This feature keeps hot air out and cool air in during Texas's sweltering seasons. Lower HVAC demand. Because these doors help maintain a consistent indoor climate, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. This reduced workload not only saves electricity but also extends the lifespan of your HVAC system, minimizing maintenance and repair costs. Additional benefits beyond energy savings. While lowering energy bills is a clear advantage, energy-efficient doors offer several other benefits that make them a smart investment. Increased home comfort. By preventing drafts and maintaining even temperatures, your home feels consistently comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. High-quality insulation materials also block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Environmental impact. Lower energy usage means your home produces fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a greener community. Enhanced curb appeal. Many energy-efficient doors come in stylish designs, finishes, and colors that elevate your home's exterior. Increased property value. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for potential buyers, especially in eco-conscious neighborhoods in League City. Choosing the right door for your League City home. When selecting an energy-efficient door, look for the Energy Star label, a certification that ensures the product meets strict efficiency standards. Consider factors such as material. Fiberglass and steel doors generally outperform traditional wood in insulation and durability. Glass inserts. Opt for double or triple pane low-E glass for added insulation. Installation quality. Even the best door can underperform if installed poorly. Always hire a certified local installer who understands the region's climate conditions and building codes. Final thoughts for homeowners in League City. Investing in energy-efficient doors is a practical step toward reducing energy bills and improving comfort. With Texas's unpredictable weather, proper insulation and sealing can translate to hundreds of dollars in annual savings. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an older property, an energy-efficient door isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a smart financial and environmental decision. By choosing the right materials, design, and professional installation, you can enjoy long-term comfort, lower utility costs, and a more sustainable home for years to come.